Today in Meijer, Kevin bought a bunch of new meals to try for his Lunchtime review channel. I had a coupon, you saved like $1 if you bought 3 Marie Calendar meals, so he chose 3. This is cheesy chicken and rice, and he's trying to stay at 400 calories or under too, so that was his parameters. And then chicken teriyaki, and see this one's right at 400, chicken and dumplings, but it says new. And then also new, they had 3 banquet meals, but he didn't want the third one because it was just a bunch of noodles. This is cheesy rice and chicken, and it's only 190 calories. And this is bacon mac and cheese, and it's only 220 calories, and that is for 1 meal, so you get the whole meal for that. Anyway, then I bought some crackers because I love them, and I bought a Bounty bar to try. We've never tried one. And we found the new Smucker's Uncrustables. This is the hazelnut spread, and so we bought 2 of those. At Target, we spent like $65, but this is all that I can show you because we bought, I'll just tell you, we bought the honey goldfish. These are new, and cinnamon goldfish. They're new. And then Kevin wanted 2 Peepsters. I will be doing a video on what we're putting in Gavin's Easter basket. And we also bought him some stuff for Christmas that was on sale, so we're going to put that stuff away. But I will be showing you what we're going to put in his basket. It's no big deal, but I thought you would just enjoy seeing a video on it. Okay, and then we went to Walmart in a different town. Now, we're going to go back to Walmart, so you're going to hear me say Walmart again in a few minutes. We got creamer. This is a Walmart exclusive, mango salsa Pringles. And so we've never tried the jalapeno, so we'll try those at the same time. These were at the checkout. You'll recognize this name because we reviewed the Hello Panda cookies. I don't know if that review's gone up yet, but it will soon. And then the Chips Ahoy we bought to do a comparison with some cookies that Eric sent us from Texas. And then we bought 2 of the Weight Watchers Salted Caramel Brownie Bliss. So we'll be back with more from Walmart. Okay, at our local Walmart, we just picked up a few more things. I know I haven't posted the video of this review, but T-Shred tells you we're buying them again because Ashley absolutely loves them. So hopefully I'll get that review up soon. Kevin picked out 3 Stouffer's meals for his Lunchtime review channel. This is fried chicken and chicken a la king and green pepper steak. And I bought some more Maxwell House Master Blend and 2 pizza cheese and butter. And Kevin bought this low-fat cottage cheese. And I bought some Pantene shampoo. Kevin bought some saline solution. I decided to buy the great big value size of the toilet wand refills just because it was a better deal. You save like $1, I think. And then I bought me some new socks. I bought the no-shows because right now I have the, what do they call it?
Low cut.
The low cut.
Those are low cut. Ankles.
Yeah, the ankles that show, and so summer's coming, and Ashley always makes fun of me because my socks show, so I got the low show. So that's it. Okay, the last place we went today was Kroger. We only bought like 2 things, really. We bought a gallon of milk, and drinks were on sale. If you bought 5 6-packs, you got them for $1.99. So we bought 5. Guido's glad we're home. We got 5 of the Coke Zeros and 5 of Diet Coke. So that is it for today.